Good morning, Dairy Road Discovery friends. Miss Kristen is here along with Adeline. We are going to do a fun little science experiment. We have some Easter eggs and we made a little ramp. Let's show my ramp. There, we had a box in our garage that we decided to use. So we have a long ramp here attached to our table. Kind of made a mess in our kitchen. And we have 3 eggs. We put, in one egg, we put some pom-poms. Do you think that's heavy or do you think that's light? Alright, I want to feel it. See if it's heavy or light. Is it light or heavy?
Light.
Light. Okay, so the next one we put some popcorn kernels in there. See if you can see them. Now, do you think that is lighter or heavier than the pom-poms? What do you think? You feel it? Is it lighter or heavier?
Light.
Is it lighter than the pom-poms or heavier than the pom-poms? Feel
Lighter.
Feel. Which one's heavier?
Nothing.
I think that the popcorn is much heavier than the pom-poms. All right, and then we have one more. This one I filled with all the change in my purse. That one, and tell me if that one's heavier or lighter than the other 2. What do you think?
Heavy.
Heavier. So, let's see, we've got our pom-poms, which is the lightest. We've got our popcorn, which is the next heaviest. And then we have the money, which is the most heavy. So we are gonna roll all 3 of these eggs down our ramp and we're gonna see which one goes the furthest. Do you think the lightest one will go the furthest? Or do you think it's gonna be the heavy one? You ready to find out? All right, let's see. Adeline, are you ready? All right, we are gonna start with the pom-pom egg. So Adeline, can you roll the purple one down the middle of our ramp? Yep, I'll put it in the middle of the ramp. There we go. Ready? Ooh, that one went really far. All right, let's see the next one. Can you do the popcorn kernels? That's the green egg. Roll it down the middle of our ramp. It's okay. We taped it up so I didn't have to clean up popcorn kernels. Ooh, it went just a little further. All right, now try the heaviest one, the one with all the money. All right, let's see it. What? What happened? Which one went the furthest? It looks like our green egg with the popcorn kernels went the furthest. Then the next was our pom-pom egg. And the slowest one was our heavy money one. Did you guys guess the right egg? Did you guys guess that the heavier one, the middle one, or the lighter one would go further? I guessed that the heaviest one would go further, so I was wrong. I'm glad we tested it so we could figure out which one actually went the furthest. You guys can try this at home if you guys have any eggs. You might not today, but maybe in a few days you might have some empty Easter eggs. And you can make a ramp with anything in your house. You can use a book, you can use a box like we did, and then you can just get creative and find fun things to fill your eggs with and send them down, and you can race them if you have siblings at home or with mom and dad. You guys have so much fun. I hope you guys have a great day.